Hey y'all, I'm Jared Holbrook, and today I'm going to be bringing you a lovely classic cocktail for Father's Day, an old fashioned. First, we're going to take 2 ounces of our All Nation 6-year bourbon. This bourbon is going to be nice and complex, and we'll get some lovely notes of charred oak and vanilla. Now, we're going to take 4 dashes of Angostura bitters you can get at any local grocery store. And now we're going to do half an ounce of a simple syrup. The simple syrup is going to be equal ratio, half water to half sugar. Then we'll go ahead and add our ice and stir up our cocktail. We want to make sure we have the coldest cocktail that we can possibly have and that all our ingredients mix together well. And we'll go ahead and take our orange peel, get us a nice lovely peel for our garnish. And we're going to squeeze it together until we get those aromatics and the flavor. Cheers, your Father's Day old fashioned.
Thank you for the how-to. I'm going to tell you the behind the scenes is that Bob wanted this story because he said this is what dads want anyway.
Is it not the truth?
Yeah. And Coy Wire, another father, joins us.
Another bourbon lover.
Yeah, what's your bourbon go-to this time?
I do like the Blantons. I mean, that's tough to find right
You know
fine,
what?
Expensive.
Yeah, whatever, guys. I'm going to say that Bob is at the stage of fatherhood where he may be a little curmudgeon about it and would like to be left alone.
Yeah, just
Coy's at the stage of fatherhood where I don't think he wants to be left alone.
I want those chubby little thighs, and I want to just gobble them up. Little Ruby. Oh,
Okay, so I know where you're going to be on Sunday.
Yeah.
Can I show you where Bob's going to be on Sunday?
we know what that is.
Yeah. I say, yeah. Alone
Yeah,
in his little corner.
in a state,
drinking.
watching the U.S. Open, and nobody bothered me for about 4 hours.
Oh, low.
Robin, have you noticed that none of us have ever been invited to the Van Dillon cave? We've never been. He likes his quiet place.
Pandemic, you know. Listen,
Oh, we
it's been a week
adore
with
you
guys.
both. We adore you both and all the fathers who are watching.
Right, happy Father's Day.
Yes.